down there, man. All the motorbikes. Wow. We're on the 25th floor. Okay, guys, this is annoying. Wow. They're building the new subway there. And straight down the middle of the street. See all the motorbikes?